Want to manage who can mention you on Instagram? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide I'm going to explain the settings of how you can actually manage who can mention you on Instagram. It's super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, simply going to open up the Instagram application from your phone, and from the Instagram homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. Now from the profile, go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right. Now, once you're here inside the settings and activity, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and you'll get to see the option tags and mention. You can tap on this, and inside this one, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to see who can mention you. It's currently selected allow mention from everyone. That means everyone can mention you, but you can select the second option, allow mention from people you follow. That means those people only can follow you that you have followed so far. And also, if you want to completely disable the mention feature, then you can select the third option, don't allow mention. If you do that, no one can mention you on the comment or anywhere in the Instagram. And this is how you can manage who can mention you on Instagram settings. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.